Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you are fine. Today we will discuss about language and language variation. So language is a set of symbols, signs and expressions which are practiced by the human. Variation of the language is known as change in the language. It breaks the monotony in the use of language. The process of language variation is quite natural in human language. So there are few topics with which we have to or with which we can elaborate the concept of language variation in detail. For example, standard language, non-standard language, language and social variation, education and occupation, dialect, register, pidgin, creole, lingua franca. Last but not the least is the glossary. So, first of all, the first topic or the first element in the elaboration of the language change and variation is to know what is standard language. So, standard language is a full-fledged language. It is very rich in its grammar, its vocabulary, its meaning, and also in its the pronunciation by the individuals, by the speakers, by the communicators. So, standard language is a prestigious language. It is the opposite of the non-standard language. It denotes an approach of language or of language use of most educated orators, debaters, speakers of a language, and it established as the prestigious form of that language when we want to assign a language or the characteristics on the basis of a standard language through the language planning, through the language policies which are made by the elite, high class and the government officials. The concept of the ideology is also important in the elaboration of the standard language. So, ideology also plays a significant role for the planning and policies in the process of language standardization. It is natural for the standard language that it strongly follows the grammar and pronunciation rules of the language concerned. For instance, as the English language. It is a standard language, it is the prestigious language because it is socially accepted, highly socially accepted on the basis of the technicality, on the basis of the modernity, so on and so forth. The other category, the other concept in the language process, in the language variation process is the non-standard language. Non-standard language is the quite opposite of the standard language, means the characteristics of the standard language would be different from the non-standard language, and non-standard language features would be different from the standard language. For example, non-standard English differs from standard English at the level of grammar, at the level of the pronunciation, so on and so forth. Non-standard language is not much rich in its pronunciation, its vocabulary, its grammar. The social acceptance is less related with the non-standard language. It is uncommon to be rich in its social use and it may be known as limited in its vocabulary and grammar for the non-language. So the other category in the process of language and the language variation and language change is language and social variation. It is very natural that human can perform their linguistic expression with a proper context, proper situation, proper domains. So what is the context? And the context and situation is the subfield of society. Society provides us the platform where we can perform certain actions, activities. Likewise, social situations can concrete through the process of language, through the process of language use. So, social domains and settings can be meaningful through linguistic behavior. What is linguistic behavior? Means our act of performing some actions, our daily task, our daily routine work with the help of the language use. So when we talk about society, language and variation, that is a natural for each setting, that situation change, then language change. In this order, language and society are strongly linked with each other and also affect one another. For example, the formal context and the informal context. It is also very natural that living in the same region, our social class or education also influence the way of the speakers speaking. For example, individual differences. For instance, individual differences, if we give a topic to write down as a general, but the way of describing the things would be different, this difference in writing would be examined as individual differences. So, the other concept in the field of language context is also crucial in the effective speaking in order to practice the field of education and occupation. For instance, when we meet with our class fellows and classmates, our way of using language is different. When we speak with our friends, siblings, so on and so forth, so the way of speaking with our HOD or some influential persons, we observe the formal context in order to be more educated and literate. It does not mean that informal behavior towards language is the sign of illiteracy or uneducated mode, but we are less formal, we are easy and reflexive, and in the presentation or in the presentation and by presenting of our speaking as well as in our writing.